Wisconsin's largest dairy farm is allegedly Rosendale Dairy. The farm produces around 78,000 gallons of milk every day from around 8,400 cows. The farm is located in Pickett and was founded in 1999 by three co-founders. Their names are Jim Ostrom, John Vosters, and Todd Willer. Rosendale Dairy Farm is a very important part of Wisconsin milk production. Rosendale Dairy now employs 90 people, and the vast majority of its milk is used for cheese. It has gained a reputation as a leader in sustainable agriculture. Nowhere is that more obvious than the dual biodigester domes adjacent to its southern barn. This $10 million facility is operated by the University of Wisconsin-Oshkosh and Clean Energy North America. It processes 240 tons of manure daily to generate 1.4 megawatts of electricity, or enough energy to power 1,200 homes. What farms should we cover next?